Hey guys, I've noticed that many stores don't have favicon on their browser tab. So let's add one. Why is it important? It makes your brand more recognizable. Your store looks more professional. Let's get started. Go to online store, then click themes, and then click customize theme. Click on logo, and under favicon image, add your image. A few tips for the image. If your logo is long or too detailed, I recommend making simpler, eye-catching version specifically for the favicon. Make sure it stands out. Use contrast like white on black or black on pastel. The ideal size is 32 on 32. Very small, so keep it clear and bold. Once your image is ready, upload it here and then click Save and preview your store. As you can see, the favicon now appears on the browser tab. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.